A document chain is a decentralized blockchain solution for the document management systems. Important properties of the document file are stored in the blockchain in a revision proof manner, safe from the manipulation so that you can easily prove the copyright of your document, your invention, songs, or construction. DMS is the native currency of the document chain. With DMS, you will be able to authorize the transaction on the blockchain and store the document records worldwide in an accessible and decentralized manner.
Feel uninvited.
At this time, the DMS coin is available on the Crex24, so you can easily buy the coin directly from that exchange. And it has its own mainnet, it has its own blockchain, so definitely the price will grow in the future. There are a number of features of the DMS which I am going to share with you in this video. Basically, the amount of DMS coin is limited to 21 million. The system is being actively developed further. The system is open for the integration in other application, and the document proof can be created with the tiniest of the resources. You remain in control of your data and do not send your data on the internet. Document chain only secures the identity of the files and stores them in the blockchain. In the event of a violation of the rights, you can present the file and certificate of proof as well as its deposit in the blockchain. Due to the decentralization of the blockchain, the technical evidence is very strong. And secondly, the document chain allows the business partners to integrate the verification of documents into their business logic in a decentralized, cost-effective, unfalsifiable, and automated way. Here you can see right now DMS is available on the Crex24, and also the price is not as much, so it's your time to grab the opportunity because the document chain is a developer friendly platform and can be integrated as a foundation for the critical document record. The document chain provides the document revision directly in the wallet as well as synchronizing the blockchain itself. In addition, the document chain enables the access to the blockchain functionalities via an API and can thus be used by the document management systems such as the Office Manager DMS. I will share all the links in the description so you can easily join the main platform of the document chain. And secondly, the descriptions as well as hash values of the document files are distributed in the database and can be compared with the document itself later. This allows a tamper-proof confirmation that a document has not been changed since then. A blockchain is a decentralized database in which transaction records follow one another like a chain. In the blockchain information, basically the data are stored in a history. Information are grouped into blocks of data, and for each block a hash, a digital fingerprint is calculated. So that's why they are giving, the document chain is giving you all the access, and especially for the offices, for all the legal terms, and especially for all the contracts, you can utilize this main platform of the document chain. And right now it's the time for some price prediction of the document chain, and also you can check out the blockchain explorer of the document chain. Now, as per about the price prediction, definitely this coin will reach up to $4 very soon in near future, so it's your time to grab the opportunity. Thanks a lot.